This year for my birthday, we decided to go on a picnic at Northview Highland Farm. And as you can see, it was absolutely incredible. The picnic was catered by a local business and was set up ready for us when we got there in a paddock full of pregnant Highland cows. The views were spectacular with the mountains in the background and the beautiful cows grazing and slipping and sliding on their own cow pads, which was really quite amusing. We really enjoyed just sitting back, enjoying our beautiful food and just watching the cows do their thing. It was such a beautiful atmosphere. We honestly could have sat there all day. The farm is owned and run by a beautiful family who really welcome you from the second you arrive. You can book a picnic like us, a farm tour, a baby animal handling experience, or you can have a birthday party there. Here's the cows fighting over the food, getting a little bit argy-bargy, which we also found quite amusing. These picnics are a great idea for a daytime date. Our hearts were happy, our stomachs were full. Cheers! We had a photo bomber. After the picnic, we got to meet some of the cows, give them a brush and take some photos with them. We then went on a tour of the farm and got to meet all the other animals they have. These are the Valais black-nosed sheep, and oh my goodness, I absolutely fell in love with them. They are the most incredible creatures. They are so affectionate. They just want cuddles and want to follow you around. I wanted to take one home. I just absolutely loved meeting these sheep. We took plenty of photos with these sheep because I just could not get enough of them. I mean, how can you not love that face? So adorable. This is Gandalf. He liked to follow us around too. We got some feed buckets and got to feed the alpacas. And yes, there was some spitting involved.
Oh, you two, don't you fight.
And of course, we couldn't leave out the goats. They wanted some food as well. The animals were all really friendly and it was nice just being in the paddock with them. These Highland cows were in a different paddock, so we fed them over the fence. They were all really friendly and it was really quite fun placing the treats on their long tongues. This is Ben the alpaca. Every time I would try and film the cute calves in the background, Ben would photobomb. Ben definitely wanted all the treats for himself and would spit at anybody who came near them. This alpaca had the most beautiful eyes. The Highland calves came over and we gave them a brush. They were so cute. This is Rumley. This is who Roy fell in love with and wanted to take home. Roy spent a lot of time with Rumley, giving him extra treats. He was such a big boy and he was so beautiful. And of course here comes Ben wanting the treats and spitting at poor Rumley.
shy away from Ben. Ben, get out. Are you silly?
Have you seen those horns?
Yeah, right.
Thought I would capture this beautiful moment, and what do you know, there's Ben. All the calves had wandered up near the house, so they were being brought back down to the shed where they needed to be fed.
Oh, look at him go. Oh my god. Jeez, I can move. Look at the size of him. That's cute.
He's cool, isn't he?
We ended the tour with the Highland calves. We got to give them a cuddle and a brush while they were standing there munching away. We had the most incredible time, and by the end we almost felt like part of the family. Thank you so much, Mark and Sarah, for having us. It was truly amazing.